Hi there, my name is David. Today you guys are about to see the mechanical restoration project of a 2000 Saab 93 Viggen. This is a modern classic. It's from the gold era of the turbocharged engines. It comes with 230 horsepower from factory, and our objective is to restore the drivability and also the power out of this machine. This vehicle came to us full of issues. All the systems had something to do. We had to use over 50 or 60 different kits or parts or components to get this car back together. There was a lot to be done. Unfortunately, parts for these cars, they are mega expensive. They come from overseas. The customer is super happy with the results. She's back with the car on the road, and it's a pleasure to be part of a project as big as this and to be able to accomplish with all the customer's expectations. Unfortunately, I lost the footage of the teardown of the vehicle, but you guys are about to see the suspension work, the engine being reassembled. There's nothing in this engine that was not touched or revised. that's all for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, that you guys had the chance to see a bit of the love, passion, all the dedication that we put towards this vehicle. If you like this kind of content, don't forget, hit like, hit subscribe. It's very important for us. Leave your comment over here, and thank you very much for watching.